Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends with the place you're watching me from. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, subscribe kindly, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Welcome to my new home over here in Burundi. So, this day today, I want to share with you my typical daily routine over here in Burundi. And of course, I give much thanks to Almighty God for the new life and for good health today, because I've been sick, and I give thanks. I'm feeling a little bit better today, though the head and the eyes are really crazy, and also I'm coughing like crazy. But we put that aside. This is really great, and we give thanks for that. So please, guys, remember we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and kindly we are on the 22,000 subscribers. Hit that like.
So you was struggling.
Subscribe.
You was struggling.
Look at this guy.
You
What are you
was
doing?
struggling. You see this one?
Eh,
This is a tripod I used
long time ago.
long time ago before I started to buy my tripod. Before I started to get a tripod.
Yes,
So hopefully it can fit your phone actually and record with it.
absolutely. The reason being, the guys, my GoPro, like, it doesn't want to export my videos actually to what we call like to my phone.
Let me help you. Let me help you.
I'm literally using this small phone.
Yeah. So
Yes.
yeah. Oh no.
This
it
phone is
doesn't
small.
fit.
The phone is small.
It doesn't fit.
Okay, maybe we do this way.
So I'm sorry.
Eh.
No, it doesn't.
Eh.
Or maybe you can add something here. Wait.
Okay,
Wait.
Burundi.
Let me check something here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe something like.
Yeah, so that's it. Actually, we are here at our new home in Burundi, and we are literally what I used that because I forgot the tripod. I used to use maybe what we call like GoPro,
and
but it's
no
not
way
good.
you can run actually to buy tripod is so quick. You can't get it. So you have to use
Your knowledge.
your knowledge.
Let's
This is a
fix-
knowledge.
Let's fix
Being
this.
a YouTuber over here,
Let's
you have
fix
to
this
be having some knowledge. Okay.
a little bit.
Okay. Put inside.
Now our tripod has already been so nice. Is it recording? Look.
Oh yeah.
Very nice, right?
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah.
Hey, the
It's
whole crowd, Joseph.
Yeah.
You know that one you have to do like this.
Yeah. So
So
that I
the whole
can.
crowd is on it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Guys, am I being recorded
Yeah,
well?
you are there.
Very nice and great struggles. And this is Burundian travel. I am with him over here. Hey.
So guys, hi guys. This is Mr. Burundi Traveler. In case you're new, in case you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe, comment, show love, guys. Actually, we are in a rural area of Burundi.
Of Burundi, yeah.
And not that much rural. For us, we consider this one as a town,
As a town.
even though there is no electricity. The electricity started to come, but to get it, to access it is not easy for you.
Oh, okay.
So, but it came like some days ago. Even
Oh.
my mom was asking me if he can do whatever, but
Oh,
he tried, but it doesn't work.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are using like more solar,
More solar.
and
Yeah.
that is it. But then this is Claude Joseph, Burundian traveler, and a lot of people actually is home right here.
Absolutely,
Yeah, we
guys.
do have our mom over there.
Yeah.
And she's there, even though, Mr. Claude Joseph took so long actually to meet her.
Absolutely.
But, was a must because, we are brothers,
Absolutely.
So, I think it's morning.
Yeah,
even
it's
my
early
mom
morning.
is already like prepared some tea for us.
some tea for us.
It's like breakfast.
Typical breakfast.
Yeah,
in Burundi.
and right here, because mostly it's hard to get like a sugar on this time, we do like some kind of porridge.
Or porridge.
Yeah, because those
Oh,
ones
wow.
they come with the sugar and whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, but very nice porridge anyway.
Wow.
It's contain like a lot of stuff, like
Alright.
10 of them, and maybe 10 of them or 11 is something like that.
So let me see this. This is a borehole.
Yeah, this is a borehole.
Yes.
Yeah, we fetch water from here.
Let me try to see if I can fetch water from
Yeah,
here.
yeah. You want to fetch a little
Yes, guys, the typical. I told you the typical morning routine
bit? Yeah.
over here in Burundi.
Yeah.
And as I told you, welcome to my new home.
Mm.
And yeah, my new home.
But then be careful because you were sick, you know.
Yeah, but I'm trying to do a little mazoezi, a little exercise.
No, okay.
Yeah.
And be careful. That one, it's like it's
A little
bringing
exercise.
out water.
Oh,
You see?
It it has a punch.
Yeah, it have a punch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can just leave that one inside.
I just wanted to see, but it has a very nice and clean water.
Yeah. Very nice, more than my borehole in Kenya anyway.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. You see, like these guys, very clean.
And the time of rain, this one you can fetch even by hands.
Come on,
it's
man.
Be very near.
How long? How many feet?
This one?
How many feet?
I don't know, but by meters they did a map.
Let's go see.
Because I forgot.
Guys, this is our home. This is a store, right? BT.
Yeah?
This is a store.
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
We wanted to make like a small shop, a small kiosk.
Okay.
But then I can see like it's kind of collapsed because I saw like
maybe neighbors come and
Anyway, in the village, like sometime a lot of like chaos.
Oh, chaos, yeah.
Maybe people needed to take a lot of whatever, a lot of debt, and then you collapse business.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Maybe jealous, something like that.
Oh, I understand.
My mom do live here alone, and we don't need her like to be in any trouble.
Oh, stress. Okay.
Yeah, so I let him like working by doing like farming.
Okay.
After finish his farming story, then we come out with like I have to send some money time to time,
okay,
so that he can be buying food and whatever, maybe cooking oil.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Sometimes if she's here alone.
Yeah.
No, don't risk, because people think maybe she has a lot of money.
Yeah, they can feel.
Absolutely.
Yeah, like there is a time also this like her phone inside here.
Okay.
Yeah, and when he was going on that case, it never helped anymore.
Oh, that's why now you decided to put a gate.
Her. No, even it was a gate like this, so they snitched from the fence.
Oh, they snatched him.
Yeah.
They how can I say? Hey guys.
Is it to sneak or what?
They sneaked.
Yeah.
Not to snitch. They sneaked over the fence and then come on this other side. So this is the kitchen garden.
Yeah, it's
guys,
like a small kitchen garden.
To our new home, we have a small kitchen garden.
Our mom do like to plant stuff.
Okay.
Like even here, there is some eggplant he's already planted.
We have some eggplants.
You can see them here.
Okay.
These are the eggplant which she's already planted.
Okay.
And they take care of them, like irrigate them.
Okay.
Until they grow.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think after taking breakfast, I'll come and pour some water to this.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
But also we see.
But remember, also we're not that much fine now.
Yeah, we also see what you call like onions.
Is, onion.
They are very healthy.
She do like actually to plant onion. Yeah, it's very hard to see my mom buying onion. Like this one, there is the first one was more. I think they planted them over there. There was too much.
Oh, okay.
So they started to cook like this leaves.
Oh, the leaves.
They start with the leaves, and then when they grow very quick, very well, they start to use it themselves.
And actually, guys, for the new subscribers, this is our new home over here in Burundi. And let me know in the comment section. There's those people who say, hey, onions leaves are eaten. Yeah, onions leaves are edible. You can just roast them and you use them as veggies. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section. Do this happen actually in your place or in your country or in your culture where you come from? Like me, I have eaten onion leaves like this one, very well roasted, and then you eat.
And then another one, guys, we shower with this one.
Oh yeah, this is our
shower stuff. Yeah.
It acts like a soft cloth. A soft.
Actually, it's here.
Okay.
When it's already done.
Maybe this one.
Remove the.
When it's removed, it's this
like
one.
This. You remove it and then you can shower it.
Yes,
and actually, it have natural
soap.
Yeah.
This one, guys, I remember when we used to be very young, and our brothers, me and my other brothers, or our siblings, this used to be our typical soft cloth to just scrub yourself, the whole body.
It's very
so nice. You can imagine us the way we are right now, like you go scrub with this, and then you're being put on the sun in Nyabohanse market over there, so that you can bask and feel the sun very well.
Yeah.
in our home right now we don't have that. I think I just have to pick some seeds.
Yeah, there is a
The moment I'll just travel
like
again.
here
I'll
to my
plant.
here at home.
Yes.
If you come in, like for example, in Apply, you get there on the house. Like this house was full of them.
Okay.
Sometime same time they had to cut off them so that they cannot go on the other house.
Oh, okay.
And also something I want to tell you is that our place it's be much fertile.
Okay.
Like they don't use
fertilizer.
Like my mom, I think she tried to use a fertilizer this time. I just told her like, if you use it, it's gonna help. And then at the end she accepted.
She accepted. Well.
And then she went. She put in the rice we planted on somewhere.
Oh, you plant rice with fertilizer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, actually here at home, something we cannot miss to have is like food.
Food. Oh,
yeah, most time things which my mom actually needs from me is like cooking oil.
Okay.
Maybe she wants to buy some stuff.
Yeah,
things like that.
that's really nice
Yeah,
and great.
yeah.
Alright guys, let's see and what we can do on this other end, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and hopefully things are really nice and great. So we wanna
first
see.
we have to drink some tea.
Alright.
Breakfast maybe.
Okay.
And let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, because they have already prepared it for us.
Okay.
And that time, guys, I was not around. And then my mom tried actually to call me.
I was a little sleep. I was a little sleep.
We got a guest. My mom is going for him. Oh, Bashakin Hebe. Oh, Bashirezos. I'm telling her to take all the chairs.
Yeah.
Because it's for that wedding.
Oh, for that wedding. You can
Hey,
oya ugomba twara byose kandi zitarimo porogaramu byawe gihera.
Oh, okay. Oh, she told me that they agreed that they need only two. So if he take all of them and they are not in program, they didn't write them. They can, because they can lose because they do. There is a lot of people who are helping him.
Okay. I understand. So you only write a program. If you write two of them,
it's
only two.
Yeah.
If you
like now they are already writing.
Okay.
Two red.
Yes, two green.
Two
white.
10 green, 10 green. 5 green, 5 green.
Yeah, that's really crazy, guys. It's really nice. Hey, you are shining.
I think also if I will get a chance, I will have to buy for that guy
some chairs.
Yeah, maybe at least two. Yeah. So that
actually, guys,
him and his
actually, guys, there's a wedding going over here. Yeah. And let me wash my hands, man. Murakoze.
Yeah, there is a wedding going on here.
Yeah.
So very soon we are going actually to attend it. And me and Claude Joseph, we are, how can we say, we are the people who really needed a lot on that one, because our guy doesn't have even someone who have a screen touch to take him a picture. Yeah, and actually I didn't tell even Claude Joseph. We came for a deal actually for Claude Joseph needs to see our home. Because actually this is one of his home too.
Yeah, for sure.
And he can come however he want, even though our language is like that. Remember even me, the first time to come back home to the other side, in language was not easy.
The language barrier.
But then at the end, this is it. And you also already took some of our mom language.
Absolutely. But me, I understand a little.
Yeah, anyway, guys, me, I'm proud and he's proud too.
Absolutely.
For the people who doesn't know, until you know it is a really deep story.
For sure.
And it's not like the name we put for ourselves. That is the name from
family,
parents.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we have a deep story.
This is our typical breakfast.
Yeah. So these are like mandazi, but very nice mandazi anyway.
Mandazis.
So yeah,
and
then we have some
beef,
meat and beef. And this one for
Irish potatoes.
Goat meat.
Goat meat and Irish potatoes.
Yeah.
And avocado.
Yeah.
And also porridge over here.
Yeah. Hopefully they still.
Wow, it's okay, bro. You know, my mom actually wake me up and maybe.
So this porridge is very nice porridge. Now you're gonna be you can be Diana came been here like only 1 month. When we went back
She was
You gained more than 10 kgs.
wow. So I think I have to stay here, overstay here. But with me, actually, I usually balance my weight. If it's 67, if I lose, it will be 65. If I gain,
I like even.
I used to be 74, and I was like, no.
There's a time I gained actually 70.
Yes.
70, 71. But long time.
Me actually it
I
was
was doing
74.
even gym that time. And it was a very good body anyway. But then I went down. And since that time, actually it came from like a breakup with another girl, first girlfriend I had.
Guys, you had with this guy.
And since that time, I never gained my weight again. I tried to eat, appetite went that time, I don't eat very well.
Breakup made you feel
and my body came a bit weak because I was doing gym. And then I left.
No. Me, if I get 74, I just like, I balance. 70,
so let's pray.
67.
Let's pray and eat. Yeah. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
As I do it in Swahili because my in English, I'm low, guys. I'm low.
Wow. This porridge is very, very nice, guys.
I think you're gonna like the porridge more than anything else.
Even yesterday night when I was very sick, I was given this porridge. And I was like, wow.
So welcome.
Thank you, man.
Sorry. And you have to do so quick actually because the
Wedding.
story.
Okay, guys. The meat is soft and tender, you know.
Actually, Dana came in nothing. She remembered so much like
This good meat.
our goat meat.
Wow.
And burobe. You know burobe?
What is burobe?
It's some kind of food. I will actually also buy for all of you so that you can taste it for the first time.
Burobe.
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow, daytime, I can send my sister to bring for us mishkake. Something like meat, they like roasted meat. Like nyama choma, they say like that.
Yeah, nyama choma, yeah.
And with that one, it's like they make you know bitter cassava. They change it. It's like a dirty gari. No, that in whatever they call it. What you will see it, but it's from the bitter cassava. They change it until it will be sweet. So the process takes more than 2 weeks
to make it that burobe.
Yeah. Because they have to remove all those bitterness in a style from the cassava until it be sweet. After it be sweet, then they grind it. When they grind it, it becomes a very good ugali.
Burobe.
Very white.
Burobe.
Even cassava ugali is different.
This is Burundi for you guys.
And in Bujumbura, the ugali we are going to eat on a restaurant.
Typically different than the one which is in the village.
Yeah. Even in the village we can do it, but it's a process, so we don't like it. We do something we should do so quick, like it too. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So we just we just finished eating, and now we're just preparing ourselves over here, and I wanna just go say.
The room is very tiny, guys. Even
to Mama.
Even to move is crazy.
No, don't worry. Don't worry.
Don't worry, guys. I can't worry anymore. Actually, to achieve also this, it took some years.
Some years, yeah. So,
yeah.
And also those who don't have even a room, so don't worry.
Yeah. So this one is a big deal.
Yeah, let's go to Mama. I say thanks to Mama.
Hey, hopefully you say in a language.
In a language. Oh, okay. You know, BT just told me now to say in the language, and then we say in our language. Our sister is she's washing over there, and yeah, actually we have this great. I actually take this. This is called lemongrass. Lemongrass over here. The moment you have a flu like Claude or like CJ over here, you just Wow, very, very nice. So I think we are similar, okay, to the villages, maybe in Kenya or any place that you're watching us from. I usually love to have this lemongrass. It's very, 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 very nice and very, 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 very great. Also, we have been told on this other end. Hey, yeah. So on this other end also we have tomatoes. Actually, it's a home. Like we have some what we call like small kitchen garden. It's a typical African village life.
Yeah, you know everyone also wash clothes that way.
This way.
So my sister is washing our clothes, some of our clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know.
But guys, you know, don't say that you brought clothes to our sister to wash. I told you to wash because I was sick.
My sister.
We actually found that she has already taken the clothes and she started washing.
Yeah, actually, even if you could not, they have this kind of like a behavior.
They
I
go
will
to
get
check.
my clothes is already.
They go
washed. Even sometimes they could wash even the clothes.
which are clean.
Yeah, which are clean. So I'll be aware with that so that I can remove the clothes which is not clean and whatever and put aside.
Even me, I was surprised. Like I came out and found that she was taking
even
the
she
clothes.
was asking me about the clothes I left here. Like, have you weared all of them? Because I washed them.
Oh.
Yeah. Even this one is inside, you know.
Hey, you look American. You look American. American bull soldier.
Not England.
No, American.
Oh, because this one I was sent from England.
Oh, England.
Yeah.
UK.
Yeah, UK.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really nice and great. And also, hey,
And
this
I
yard,
don't know, have you
this
used
this yard has a lot of different crops.
Yeah. Have you used this kind of toilet before?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's not a first time.
Yeah, guys, these are toilet.
Yeah, because this one you must use it like. Don't be fear like, oh, what is that?
No, let me tell you, we used to have this, and also that towers that you see there, we changed it. It is the same like
was
this.
like this one. Okay.
It's the same one.
So here in the village, all of them they are this way.
Yeah, this way.
Yeah.
So
I think if we could have like a hardware which have something which is modern a bit,
yes.
I could do that. But
Let me show you guys how we usually go in. Hold this for us. So you go in this way, and then you know here you squat.
yeah.
So if you have problems with maybe
with the knees, or maybe you are very big until you can't do squatting.
yeah.
This
This is our small cyber, guys. We come inside here to download some information. Then
guys, here, if you are not very good actually on squatting, you cannot use that way.
Yeah.
And it will be a problem.
Yeah.
So that's why some of the visitors can fear even to bring them here.
No, don't fear because this.
No, there is some who cannot actually. That is normal. He can't or she can't.
She can't squat like this.
Yeah, that is true. Guys, I don't have to lie. And actually, I don't have a villager who have maybe a modern one who
That you
can
can
take you there.
You see, like that hours for flashing. That it's just same like this. We just put that plate. We call
Leave
it.
even that.
Same plate.
Leave even the at least that one. You know that one. Someone if it got bad and you slide, you sit down is okay. But this one you sit down, you sit inside direct.
But sometimes you can go inside.
Hey, so this one more people actually do fear it so much.
No.
They fear like it's like me I cannot squat there.
They say you
and
can.
remember it's a direct one. And
It's
it doesn't
direct.
have even a space where this one the body.
We call it like the one that takes out the bad odor.
Yeah.
Or the bad
It's
smell.
not there. Even as is because we have a problem of flu, so we don't hear anything.
So that's the video. Guys, this is our small cyber over here. You know, it's our small cyber where we download our information. Then from there, everything is. So this is the backyard, Pretty.
Yeah. This is the backyard. Like here you can see they burn some more things. You know here, the time of rain, there is like pumpkin was like all over up to here.
Up to that point.
You see here, on top here, all of here they were just lying on this one.
Pumpkins.
Yeah. So now as is a time of
Dry season.
dry season,
They burn.
they burn them. They uproot them and then they burn them.
When it's rain season, they come out by them
They
by
come
their own.
themselves.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, you have this kind of veggies.
Yeah, these are they, here
These are very
mostly in the market you get only this one.
This is very sweet.
It's like Tanzania anyway.
Sweet veggies.
We do use the one which is mchicha guy.
Very sweet veg.
I think in Kenya it's not easy to get them.
Yeah, it's not. But I once tried this in Tanzania. Where my grandma come from.
Yeah, we use it
on my mom's place. Yeah, we always have. She always prepare this for us.
In Bujumbura, not this one, but in whole place, whole this village, I know.
Wow.
Or maybe this county.
Oh wow.
The county we are in. All of it.
And I was so surprised that most of you guys we are surrounded with, you know, if a neighbor have to have a wall, another neighbor has to have a wall.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Everybody to stay on his own lane.
Yeah. That's how we do. That's how we live, guys. That's how we do.
And that's how it's supposed to be. Always.
Yeah,
Always.
so welcome.
Thank you guys. And this actually you have tried BT. You have really tried, man.
Yeah.
Congratulations, man. As a young man, there are so many people who maybe are not they are at your age and they're like zero at life. And also more than you, but they're also who are older than you, but zero in life.
Maybe also have even more than me, but then to manage it.
To manage it very wrong.
Yeah,
but
it's not easy.
It's not very easy.
Yeah.
Yes, I have a running nose. Don't worry, guys. Sometimes when you see me with a handkerchief, don't worry. I have a very crazy running nose due to the flu and other stuff. So with me, I will give you. So that's the kitchen now, an outdoor kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the outdoor kitchen, guys. In Burundi, I showed you how to take the borehole. So we wanna see what will be happening on the other side. All right. Yes. So because it's early morning over here. What I want to do is we want to fetch water because Mama was doing what we call like sharing with us how she makes fertilizer, but hopefully I couldn't be near because it was dusty, and I remember suffering from flu. So yeah, over here the way you see, she just take these old stuffs that have been here and then she burns them again to create what we call like fertilizer. You can just imagine, guys. So all this, it's a mixture of different plants over here in this village, and then she burns it and then she makes her own fertilizer. So, and the fertilizer over here, it's being used to just put aside on this side over here. You see the black one, this other eye. So this is the veggies over here. So she was putting what you call like this kind of ash. So she burns it, it becomes ash. So when it becomes ash, she does what we call like a fertilizer. So that's what she uses to make the plants to nourish, to make the plant nourish. So with me, I want to fetch water from here and start helping to pour, because we have also here our jerrycan. So this is the jerrycan that is being used to water plants like this over here. So yeah, finally welcome to my new home, and this is how you see our home looks like here in Burundi. Alright guys, see you, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this and what do you think about how everything is around here. Alright, all this is after the yummy breakfast. Even decided to take off the sweater because the breakfast was very nice and great. So we want to start watering over here. Let you see like these ones over here. Like this. Let me know in the comment section what do you think. Is the water too much for this? This is one of the special what you call like veggies around here. Very yummy and sweet. On this other side, then later on we'll go to plant to just water the fruits also. We also have some fruits over here, also like this. We're having another tomato over here. It's in the morning. So let's add more and more water. More and more water. You know? It's life in Burundi. We add more water. You know, we draw water from inside here. In the well itself, I can't risk putting my phone near because it might and vamoose over there. Alright. We have another full jerrycan of water over here. So we should be moving to the other side also. We see where we water. Yeah? You see where we'll be watering this kind of fruits. We also have this one here for this one. And we had some mangoes in here. These are the onions. Mom already woke up very early in the morning and started watering them. But this kind of them. We have another special mango here. Another one is here. This is another avocado. Okay. Very, very nice. Another one is here. It's one of the greatest and special. When I say very great. That way. We have La Piña here, which we call them pineapples. Just pour a little into them. Another one over there. Another one over there. Yeah. And the problem with this is that it's too big. The hole is too big, so it pours. Huh? That's the only big problem with this. Yeah. And this other end also. One thing I like about this place is like it makes what you call like a lot of it's so fertile to an extent that they don't use what you call like these artificial fertilizers. So they ban what you call like so you can plant this place anything and it can come out very nicely and healthy without using maybe these fertilizers from the shop or from the agrovet. That's one thing I like about this place. So let me show you how mama is doing this. Unapanda nini mama? Unapanda nini? I'm asking her what is. Oh, fertilizer. Oh, she's using this kind of fertilizer. So after she has used this, she's using also this other one. Okay. See how she's doing it. Orange. Fertilizer. Up to the other side. Oh, marage. Yeah, she said that she was planting beans and so she was planting beans inside here. And then she used this one. And also the what we call like the dust you see there, not the dust but what we call like the ash you see there, it's also so protective. It's used as a preservative to the beans. So no weevils can just penetrate and start eating, or no stalk borers can eat the what we call like the beans. So she used this ash to protect the seed also, and also it acts as a fertilizer. So later on she planted them there. So she told me she's planting what we call like beans, like this one. You see how healthy they are. Yeah, so that's what she's doing over there, and that's how you see the process of doing that. It's actually, which process is this? Is it winnowing? There's a process that we used to call in history that used to be used those days back in the colonial period, when there was what we call like plantation and irrigation system those days back. Yeah, I was asking how mama was trying to do what we call like to plant. So she She was using this. This is the fertilizer that you use over here.
Yeah, that is a fertilizer.
And Gary.
Okay.
So she mixed with the
Ash.
ash.
So you know ash is a like a preservative. It is used to do what you call like to preserve the seed from not being eaten by weevils.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like her before, actually, they could use only like ash.
Ash only.
But in nowadays, then you know, it's like they start to be
Advanced.
advanced actually with this type of fertilizer. And a fertilizer actually doesn't look like that one which can destroy soil, especially like that white one, whatever.
Okay.
But this one is just black, like manure.
Like manure.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you know actually, whatever was like.
I don't know if you showed the people.
Yeah, show them this one over here because I came when she was burning.
Just like
I came when she was burning over here, and I was like, oh wow. So over here, guys, look at their fertilizer. Is it phosphate? The phosphate. This looks like the phosphate, I think. Yeah, it's a fertilizer. This black one over here.
You are not very. You are not. You know, don't look at it like carefully. You cannot understand that is a fertilizer.
It's a fertilizer. Yeah.
You will think it's maybe soil. Something like that.
It looks like soil, but it's okay. What she was also planting. I don't know what kind of veggies.
She's going to plant. Oh, it's an isogor. Yeah, it is something like in Uganda they call it dodo or something.
Dodo, or what do you call it? This spider web. Look like spider web.
Yes. It's just a kind of muchicha.
Oh, mchicha. It's a pigweed. There's special pigweed over here, guys.
Yeah.
That's a very, very special kind of a pigweed. This one you see over here. Very, very,
I
very.
don't know where he took them from. Oh, but yesterday she went somewhere far a bit. She was telling me, and then I was arguing with her, asking if she went barefoot.
Oh,
and then she was answering the way Diana came do answer when she's wrong.
She's angry or she's wrong.
She's wrong. Like, Ama.
So you know the funny thing here, mostly BT usually argue with the mom and the sister that sometimes I give you money to just use for transport, and you people don't want to use that transport. You want to walk for kilometers and start complaining that you are feeling
mom will
tired.
tell you like, you know, is a part of exercise.
It's a part of exercise.
And the exercise she do, even maybe me I cannot anyway. Because she can carry even 50 kgs and walk maybe 2 hours.
2 hours from here, guys.
Oh, you know, what about me? Like, I
guys,
cannot.
this place is very like sometimes, you know, when he tells them, take this money, go use it for transportation. With them, they are like, no, they put aside and we're like, we can just quick match. Now this very near here, and BT sometimes gets mad and like, you sometimes when you just feel sick, sometimes don't call me. You know, the thing is, I'm telling you to do this and you are this, but mom is like, it's just a near here. It's just a part of exercise. So sometimes I'm like, even me the other day when I was walking, I told BT, no man, this place is kind of very far. We cannot walk. So it was like, I was requesting maybe we can use now what we call like a bicycle, but BT told me no. This place they usually walk, but let's use a motorbike. So I was like, this is Burundi for you.
Even the other sister of mine, she's pregnant, like. Like 9 months pregnant.
Imagine 9 months pregnant.
The person can walk.
And she's very, very, very strong. That's what shocked me most. Like 9 months pregnant. She's almost. She can even give birth on the road, but she was like.
But she doesn't mind about
she
that.
Just walks from the all the way to come here. I was like, oh, okay. All right, man. What are you holding?
This one is
Oh, okay, I understand.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, this will be a big surprise.
I know.
Let me check my basket if it's okay because I want to go with it.
Okay, let me see how Mama is planting them. Teach. Mama, no dana maji. Maji. Okay. So she's planting this. What do you see? She's planting over here. So she was putting what you call like the ash, and then now she's planting this one. It's one of the most best and great what we call like veggies over here. Very, 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 and they are sweet. I once tried this, but the pigweed that we use over there, it's kind of different with the pigweed that it's over here. You know, mostly. This one looks soft and kind of smooth. So you see, she made some holes all the way. You know, African mom, they work very early, very, very, very early in the morning. All right, guys. So let's see what we can do, and then we'll be ending this video. All right. And guys, we have here our special ambika. This part, guys, you know, these are now the machines over here. If you want to send, it will be sent here to go to the market. This is what I'll be using.
For the tall people like you, you have to uplift the other one. Yeah, because you can be hitting on those one.
On this one.
So we see some of them, like that guy did a wedding. His bicycle is like up to here. Yeah, because he's tall, so that he cannot be hitting his knees on the. Yeah.
Guys, if you see these ones, even in Burundi, they usually have the flying bikers.
Someone on the like.
On their tarmac road.
Yeah. Someone is even sleeping on the like. Yeah, guys, it's like a motorbikes actually. Even me, when I'm flying this one, you bring that special one, you cannot go with me. I can, you can't. My brother, I learn even with the one hand like.
This one.
This one.
I used to sit on the video.
My leg very, very strong on this one.
No wonder, guys, all Burundians are very strong. This one. Maybe.
I don't know if I kick you. Like. Yeah.
Like.
If I do like. If I do like. You die. So, because we are like. We exercise this one so much. Yes, for now, like, if it takes longer without to use it, I come weak a little bit. But when I come back on it, only 1 week, my brother.
You become very, very, very strong.
And I don't use even another thing. I can cycle even 2 hours, 3 hours, maybe going somewhere.
Yeah,
not like I'm doing exercise, but going somewhere. Maybe I carry my sister here or my mom, go somewhere. Anyway, they sit like this. Yeah, they sit like that. But don't sit because maybe it's dirty a little bit.
It's very, very nice, guys. Let's use the motorbike over here. And this is the bicycles over here that is being used. It has been inside. Actually, this bicycle, it always, how can I say? This bicycle, after, how can I say? Because now the sister who used to use it, she's married. She got married. Now they don't use it anymore. So it's only sometimes when BT comes back, told me that.
Or maybe my mom have a big luggage, needs someone to help.
She
like
uses
that guy
it.
who got married some days ago, they can send him and then he help her.
Oh, okay.
So, he been a very helpful also guy. That's why even people are saying, I could not understand if BT could not come for his wedding.
His wedding. Yeah. People could have got shocked. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see. Okay.
Because he's been like in the family,
For long.
Yeah.
He's like a family member now.
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right, guys. We're gonna end this video here. It was a short, quick tour about my new home over here in Africa, Burundi. To be specific, East Africa, Burundi. For those who don't know that Burundi is in East Africa. Now Burundi is in East Africa. So thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Actually, you see how everything is like. In this yard, we have different varieties of plants or different species of plants. We have maize, we have onions, we have tomatoes, we have mangoes, we have cassava, we have everything, which is very, very nice. And I appreciate your love and support. If you want to say goodbye, man.
yeah, guys, what I can say is that may God bless every single of you guys.
Yes.
This is Mr. Burundian Traveler.
Yes.
Yeah, kindly show love to my brother over here.
Yeah.
Watch our video.
Yeah.
Very soon we are planning for more. Maybe we'll update you on IG, maybe today or tomorrow.
Absolutely.
About our schedule.
Absolutely.
And whatever we are planning, so that guys we can gather together. Maybe we are planning maybe to travel in your country, so better we see your hospitality and also other people who are outside or whatever. We are welcoming you guys actually to show love to our channels, be watching our videos, be watching our adventures, because it will be and now we are going to do it different, because actually we have like different channels. And maybe we'll be having like to split, like if you enter in your country, you can split into two parts. Maybe one go to north, the other one south. So we make sure we are showing you
different
the
parts.
whole difference actually of the place, the country, or maybe wherever more adventure actually. It will not be like we are recording together every time. But we have actually that differences. This one go to this city and me go to another city, do my things and then come back.
Absolutely. And thank you so much for welcoming me.
You're welcome.
I appreciate, man. This is how everything is. And I really appreciate your love and support. And guys, thank you so much also for being with us up now. And thank you for watching this video. Remember, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. And peace to you all.
Peace and love.
And bye, guys. All right.